Working in the engine bay, locate the top of the left side motor mount. Looking down past the strut tower, find the steering shaft universal joint. The motor mount is right below it. This photo shows the orientation of the steering shaft universal joint, yellow arrow, and the motor mount, green arrow. Using a 24-inch extension, or a few extensions connected together, remove the nut from the motor mount. You will have to slide the extension down past the steering shaft knuckle and guide it onto the nut. Once on, break the nut free and remove. This photo shows the extension placement in the engine compartment, green arrow. Working in the engine bay, locate the top right side of the motor mount. The right side engine mount is shown in this photo, looking down past the exhaust manifold, yellow arrow. Remove the nut from the motor mount, green arrow. When replacing the left side engine mount, remove the wheel well cover trim cover. Remove the 3 8mm fasteners as indicated by the green arrows, and then the 1 10mm plastic nut, yellow arrow. When replacing the left side engine mount, remove the 6 16mm fasteners from the lower cross brace and remove the reinforcement brace, green arrow, from the vehicle. The following steps highlight the removing of the right side mount. You do not have to remove the lower reinforcement brace when replacing the right side engine mount. Working below the engine at the subframe, remove the 2 E12 lower engine mount fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Next, support the engine from below using a hydraulic jack. Place a block of wood between the corner of the engine oil pan and the jack pad. Then loosen the engine mount nut on the opposite side of the engine mount you are replacing, but do not remove the nut. Doing this allows the engine to be raised enough to remove the engine mount on the opposite side of the engine. Jack up the engine until the engine mount can be removed from the vehicle. You will see the upper engine mount stud move free of the upper bracket. Remove the engine mount from the vehicle, install a new engine mount, and slowly lower the engine down onto the mount. Install the new engine mount nuts and torque. Then repeat the procedure for the opposite side mount. When replacing the right side engine mount, you will have to transfer the heat shield over to the new mount. Reassemble the remaining items and recheck engine mount nut torque. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.